Hello friends, so now we go to continue. Of course, Alena is here and we will do page 7 and 8. I have to check camera if, yes, I am there. So, first, what I want to do, I want to have all that cake on my pages. So how I did, I found middle, and from that middle I measure 8 millimeter, 8 and 8. That will be on that strips here, on that folds. And now I found middle the cake and cut top and bottom to have 24 and 3 millimeters, two pieces, 24 and 3 by 14. That's what's 14 centimeters. So I get two these pieces, and then this I will left. Then these 3 stripes, 8 millimeters, I put on that 2 pages, 7 and 8, yes, like that. And now I will glue that page here. And next, what I did from this page, with that lady and cups, I cut that strip and I will add that strip here to make pocket. But first I get idea, I won't have pocket also here. So what I will do, I take a knife and I cut that chocolate around like that, here and here. Okay, I move a little bit here and here and that. Oops, okay, it can be not very nice, but okay, like this, and like this. So we get pocket like that. Now I trim it, that tiny mistake. I cut it just a little bit. Okay, now I need ink and go little bit around. So I have pocket, and pocket will stay here. So now I can glue this page. First I take double tape, and we have to be careful because pocket goes here. So I can put glue just here, double tape. First double tape here and close to that. Okay, and next I use glue. So first with bones, push that tape. I take the top of this double tape. Next glue. And I go around a little bit here and here, because that will be pocket. And I glue edge, that can be thick. And here just for edge, not too far, because it will be pocket. Okay, now I smear a little bit on that. And let's go to put on the page. So it goes like that. Closed. Okay. So I take the paper and also bone. So we have almost done page 7. Not really. Okay, it's here, teeny something. Okay, and now I take this strip. I did edges and I make that like a pocket. So I like that pink here to a little bit less pink. Okay, on the page. Smear that. And I will do exactly on the edge. And we have page number 7 done. And because I think it's so easy and so quick, I will do also page 8, because the page 8 is very, very similar. So that is 7. And now I take 8, not 8. We can put something inside too, because it's double tape, and I want again cut that chocolate for make pocket. Usually I am very friendly with knife because I have very bad experience with cutter machine. I have almost 5 of them from different company, and after a while each one don't cut straight. So if you know about perfect cut machine, just let me know and I am ready to buy. And I need really good professional machine because I cut every day few papers. So we have again pocket here. Oh, I little bit to edge. Okay. So now I take double tape and put some here and other one here. Push that with bone. Take off top of double tape. Use glue. Oh, wasn't close, so I hope it works. And I go around the edge and also around the edge of the pocket. Okay. Next. Other side of pocket. And the last is that edge. A little bit more closer. Okay, I smear. Especially put to the corners. Okay, and let's go to glue. So again, because it's continue with that middle strip, so I put to very close there. Okay, okie dokie. I don't know how you feel when you're doing scrapbook project, but I feel so good. I talking in 7 heaven. Any problem, if I have some in my life, it's not too many and not too big and much. I am really blessed person. And if I sit at the table, or don't have to be table, if I have do some fussy cutting also, and I sit next to TV or computer and listen, or when I do fussy cut also, so actually I listen, I am in 7 heaven. That makes me peaceful, I am happy, and I need do that every day. If I don't have chance, I miss something. I'm crazy person. Okay, so that is, and I am very, very thankful to my children because both of them, my daughter and my son, always make me table in their houses, and I can create something every day. So that is page 7 and 8, and cake is on the table. So we can put something here, I will do later, and also pocket is aside. So we have done page 8 and 7 and 8. See you on next video. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and your comment make me really happy. If something you don't understand, just let me know. I will try to explain. Bye bye guys.